Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming both devices use the same Apple ID and are on a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and toggle calendars to on both iPhone and iPad. This registers calendars with iCloud, which is the only built-in sync method between Apple devices. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for calendar so updates propagate. Now allow a minute for iCloud to upload local events before continuing to the next steps. Next, you verify where events live. Open Calendar, tap Calendars, and inspect entries labeled iCloud versus on my iPhone. If events are local, tap an event, edit calendar, and choose an iCloud calendar to move it. Make sure Default Calendar, Settings Calendar, points to an iCloud calendar so new events go to iCloud automatically. If you use Google or Exchange, enable Calendar Sync under Settings Mail Accounts. Once moved, iCloud will propagate those events to your iPad. To finalize, force a sync by toggling calendars off then on in Settings your name iCloud, or sign out of iCloud and sign back in if necessary. Restart both devices and open Calendar to verify changes. If something still seems wrong, log into iCloud. To confirm events are present server-side. If they are, the devices will pull them down. If events are absent, check the default calendar and any non-iCloud account settings. Then remove local events into an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.